What's going on, everybody? All right, so what we have today is I have a scope hole right here in the bow of my kayak. It's just from dragging it. It's a little hole, but it's put in about 10 gallons of water in less than an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with a little plastic weld. Gonna put on gloves. I have a heat gun and I have a plastic welder, and then we're gonna get it done. All right, so I have some HDPE plastic. This is just off a protein jug. First, I'm gonna heat up the kayak plastic that's already on it and just go over it with my welder, and then I'll start heating this up and then place this over here, and I'll just keep layering it to make it a little bit thicker and spread it out. That way I have a little more to work with. So first things first, welding iron's already hot. Again, have gloves on, make sure you don't touch this part. Super hot. And I'm just gonna kind of go over everything, just melting it down. This isn't an expensive welding iron, or this is from Harbor Freight. It works. I like it. It gets hot, it heats up. This part will bend, but all I do is just put it on a tile and then bend it back. I don't really use it enough right now to spend a ton of money, but all I'm trying to do is just smooth this out a bit. All right, so this is the finished product. Again, I am not a professional at this, but as you can see, it fixed the hole. And what I did was, once I heated up the plastic and I folded it over, I filled in the stern, and then with my gloves on while it was still warm, I basically just molded it with my hand. So you can see it still matches the form of the kayak. Now they sell plastic rollers and all kinds of stuff that you can use to make this look prettier. They also sell rods of high density polyethylene plastic, which is HDPE, which is what the kayak's made out of. But you can also just use any jug that has a recycle number 5 is HDPE. So I just use this. And I mean, it filled the hole. So that's kind of what we're looking for. If you have any questions, go ahead and shoot me a message and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I appreciate you guys watching. And this is F.L.A.C saying do good things and good things will happen. Thanks.